today I have the Play by Sephora to unbox for you. Sephora Play, most everybody knows, but if you don't know, it's a $10 a month beauty subscription box, and it's all products that you can purchase at Sephora, either online or of course in a Sephora store, even Sephora inside of Penny's. So I have just a little complaint with this month's box. This is the June 2018 box. They sent me the email that my box had shipped, and it said it was going to be forever before I would actually get it, and then they sent me the spoiler email saying my box arrived, which it hadn't. So I read the spoiler email because I'm one of those people, like, if I know there's spoilers, then I will want to know what those spoilers are. Like, it's with movies, TV shows, you know, sometimes I try to be like, don't look at the spoilers, don't look at the spoilers, but I did. And it said that I was going to be getting the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup, and I believe the Belief Moisture Balm lotion, which I love, but I didn't get those two items in this box. It was different, so I was a little disappointed, but hey, it's $10 a month. I'll get over it. It's all stuff I can use. So just wanted to go on a little bit of a rant. I know that's not much of a rant, but I really wanted that Kush Milk mascara, Milk Makeup. But anyways, so let's open up the box and see what I did get. And of course it always has the love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, Sephora.com Play, which I will link down below if you're interested in signing up. Of course, you always get your 50 Beauty Insider points, which is nice. They only made last month available to redeem online. They need to kind of stick with that because there are so many people that don't live close to a Sephora. Like, it may be an hour, 2-hour drive before they can make one, and sometimes it's easier to order online. So they kind of listened a little bit, and for their anniversary they actually made the pass online, but they didn't this time. So still need to work on that. So it looks like the theme this month is Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk, and I really do like this design. And these little pamphlets they send, they give you all kinds of tips and stuff, so I really do appreciate this. So if you may not be familiar with the product, it'll at least tell you how to use it, what it's about. And this is the bag this month, and I think this fits with summer pretty well. And it says hot, and it's got the palm tree, looks like the ocean or some water there. So I kind of like this bag. It's cute. It definitely fits with summer, so I like when they kind of hit it with the theming, with the season, so I do like that. So let's dive right in. This is my oh, another thing, my because you get the 5 beauty samples, and then you get like a sample, either like a perfume sample or hair care. And I was supposed to in my box get the product at Candy, but they didn't have that. Instead, I've got the Marajo Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter, which looks like some hair care, and hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures hair with botanical oils and rich butters. I'll definitely give this a try. I've not heard of this brand, so this is new to me. And I'm starting to get more into hair care products. I used to always be like, ugh, hair care products, but now I'm getting more into it. So, you know, we'll see how this goes. Okay, this I'm actually wearing on my lips. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee, which this almost, I'm going to get kind of up close, is very close to my natural lip color. So this is basically a nude lip for me. I could probably put a gloss over top of this, but I don't always do that. This is okay. It wouldn't be a shade I would necessarily pick for myself. The formula is not too bad. I've had this on for a few hours. Of course, it dries down. It's kiss proof. It's not too drying, which is nice. So, you know, just a liquid lip. I am excited for the Too Faced melted metallic lips. I love metallic lips. I know some people hate them, but I love them. So I'm looking forward to when those come out. And we'll see if the pamphlet says anything. Too Faced Melted Liquefied Long Wear Matte Lipstick. A long-lasting lightweight lipstick that goes on like a gloss but delivers bold, full color. Yeah, what more can you say about it? Okay, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. My sister and the bestie love this stuff. I think it smells okay. I haven't actually, like, I think it smells alright. It smells similar to some stuff from Bath and Body Works. But I haven't actually used it because I know I've been like, why is everybody raving about this? But I need to actually use it and try it and see, you know, what all the madness is about with this product, because it's kind of expensive. Let's see what the pamphlet says. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, a tightening and smoothing body cream that gives skin a radiance fit for the beaches of Rio. Look beach ready with the body cream. It uses guarana, an Amazonian plant ripe with caffeine that is said to improve circulation for a firmer look, which caffeine is good for your skin when it's in beauty products. So there's that. Okay, we've got some Living Proof, and it says Frizz, and then it's marked out Nourishing Styling Cream, which this is a good size sample, and I have been using the Living Proof overnight cap protector, which is just protects your hair from elements, keeps it shiny. Love that stuff. So let's read about this. Oh, the humidity, and I do live in a very humid area here in Kentucky. Frizz Taming Styling Cream that blocks moisture in the air without weighing hair down. This silicone-free, color-safe cream smooths hair texture and moisturizes for a polished look that's ready for any occasion. Apply from roots to ends on clean, damp hair. It says avoid running fingers through hair too much during the day. The more you touch it, the more frizz you will get. So that's kind of interesting. So yeah, I'll definitely try that. And next up is a product I love. It's the Clinique Take Off the Day Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. This stuff works wonders. I also love the balm, the Makeup Melter Balm. Makes your skin feel really good. When you put it on, it rubs all away the makeup. You wipe your face off and your skin feels so smooth. But this is the just the Take Off the Day. It's really good too. And this says a gentle formula that removes makeup without tugging, stinging, or irritating eyes. I agree with all of that. Not even the toughest waterproof mascara is a match for this tried and tested oil-free makeup remover that uses a blend of silicones to dissolve your boldest looks. And this stuff does work wonders. I love it. And finally, the last item, and I am excited about this item, but it's tiny. It's very tiny. And this is the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder in light medium. Although it says it's a translucent powder, an ultra lightweight loose powder that sets makeup all day. So, and it also says on here that this translucent powder uses light diffusing particles to smooth and blur the look of skin for a stunning effect. My only gripe with this is the size of this powder, you all. The size of this. Usually, like the Laura Mercier sample size they gave and the Kat Von D sample size, they are almost twice the size of this little guy right here. So that's my only complaint with that, but I am super excited to try this. I've been wanting to use some more CoverFX products, so I figured that's a good way to start. So that's everything in my June 2018 Play by Sephora box. Let me know. I know they had a few variations. Did anybody get the Kush mascara? Let me know. Super jealous. I thought I was getting it. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's videos on their Play by Sephora boxes. Still gonna get it. I'm not disappointed enough to want to cancel or anything. This was a pretty decent box overall. So there's that. So you'll definitely see it again for July. I hope I get some products I haven't tried before. That's what I'm looking forward to. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you here. And hit that little notification bell so you know when I post videos. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.